Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2024 Jeep Wrangler Willys 4xe in Sarge Green with Willys 4xe hood decal, Willys suspension, 17-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 11,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, ALPINE premium audio system, Select Track 4x four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seat, 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7900.